Georgie, what are you doing? You're not supposed to have that little guy with you. No, you're supposed to be with your mama. Come here, come here. Don't be following him around out in the field. You'll get lost.
When this dog is a talented diplomat, size cannot prevent a friendship. It seems like his parents had to spend a lot of money on dinner today.
Hey, it's me, Ivy. Another day in the life. This is me at Mom's work. She makes me come every day. She brings this brown thing.
This child's ability to turn the house into a restaurant. Instead of enjoying food, seeing his new friend's happiness makes him happy. Congratulations! Please prepare lots of food for your new daughter-in-law. Looks like his name, Pig, needs to be passed on to someone else.
What are you doing? Are you coming? Yes, come this way.
Parents' time at work is an excellent opportunity for every dog to plan a party.
Problem. Yeah, moo, 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 all the way out. Come on. Otis, thank you. Single file, single.
Greetings, client. This shirt comes in 3 different colours.
No idea.
No one can refuse such a warm and soft child in the middle of winter.
What?
When there's a dream soulmate, a free Uber appears whenever his legs get tired. When the kind boy discovered the helpless duckling, he took him home.
Come on, you two. Let's put Mabel away, Merle.
With the horse by his side, the vastness of the seashore shrinks dramatically.
Hi, Isha. Good girl. You saying hi? Good girls. Good girlie. No.
Lucky puppies. Not all puppies can say that they have an otter friend. Buddy, I want to fly in the sky too. I'll give you treats. Guess which horse is the lucky one to become the dog's soulmate? Cow, you think you can refuse his invitation? think again. Choose the right opponent. You'll definitely win the championship position.
Leave it. Ready, go? Ready, Max? Go get it.
What makes a perfect day? It's the appearance of a tall and handsome guy.
Pessoal, para acabar com o calor, é só fazer isso aqui. Aí você vê. O Zezinho e o Jack. Pronto. Só de boa, pessoal.
Everything becomes easier when you've got diplomatic skills. In case the puppies are too bored, his bestie is the perfect entertainment. The best way to persuade his crush to come to his house. If you're wondering what the advantage of having long legs are, consider this. Parents made an excellent decision in hiring this nanny. No matter how wild the fox is, the cuteness of dogs will captivate him. That skunk isn't just hugging a dog, she's hugging her whole world. Hello. Come to my house if you have free time. What if you found out your soulmate ate ice cream alone?
Right there. No.
Having honey skin must be the goal of this couple. Thanks so much, and have a good day.